In the realm of bird conservation, 3D printing is proving to be an invaluable ally. Ornithologists across the globe are harnessing this technology to create accurate replicas of bird eggs, which are cunningly used to thwart poachers and preserve endangered species. These 3D printed eggs are strategically placed in nests, enabling researchers to closely monitor bird behavior without causing harm. Additionally, conservationists are employing 3D printed bird feeders that cater to the dietary needs of diverse species, promoting better nutrition and fostering thriving populations. Through these innovative applications, 3D printing is not only helping save countless bird lives, but also advancing our understanding of avian ecology in remarkable ways.